Yo, what's up guys? You are tuned into Nong Wealth, flipping the ugly property to the AI inspired property. Guys, it's no joke when we say that an entrepreneur eats mufufuzo wa phahla ya gae. Let's go guys. The weather is bad, but msuito tswela pele. Invest like a pro with Nong Wealth.
Oh. You know, as an entrepreneur, man, having that option that I could be sleeping right now, let me cancel all of my appointments, but also thinking that month end, I still need to make payments. Still thinking that 60 days is still coming sooner. So it doesn't mean that when the weather's like this, the 60 days will be on a pause. We still need to keep on grinding, man. So let's go to the property and see what's going on.
The things we do for content, as you can see guys, it's raining, it's cold, but there's still progress. So when it comes to the work that has been done this far is the tiling, and I'm really excited to show you how far the tiling has come through. Let's go.
Okay, so now welcome to the flipping the ugly property into the AI inspired property. So this is the property at the back. There were a lot of guys today in this house. When I say a lot, they were a lot. We had the plumber, we had the tiler, we had the builders, we had the electrical guy. Man, there was just a lot of guys in the house. So come through in the house and let's see how far have the guys actually went now. I'm so excited about this gate, man. We can actually close without checking it, Baba. Let's go and see what's going on. So remember when we were talking about this situation here, we had a structural problem here. Our window needs to get there, but now remember we said that the reason why we can't install the window right now is because that part over there, we need to put a support structure, which is the lintels. So now once we've actually put that there, it will actually support the roof properly. Once the roof is supported properly, that's when we can actually bring in the aluminum window so that it can touch there. But this is what the guys have done so far.
Sure. Let's walk in guys. I want to show you how far the progress is. Really happy about it. So when it comes to the lighting, right? So when it comes to the lighting, we are done. And then when it comes to the tiling with the dining area, the tiling is complete. Looking at it from the kitchen, I would say that we are 90% done. However, now when it comes to the lighting in the kitchen, we are 100% done. In the lounge, we're also 100% done. Let me switch this on. So as you can see guys, the rhino light is up. We are making sure that the ceiling is done, and then next our focus is on the walls. Yes, ideally speaking, what one would like to do is that before the tiling, focus on the walls, then only go to the tiling. However, the situation is that the guys were not here, so we had to move because the 60-day challenge is really on our neck and we do want to finish in time. Just bear with us guys, by the end of the week you'll see the progress. They say that it gets ugly before it gets beautiful, so yeah, the ceiling is already up as you guys could see. Then next our focus is on the walls, then the flooring, then gone guys.
This is another day of flipping the ugly property into the AI inspired property. Guys are actually working and it's a Sunday, right? The guys just want to be done. I think the guys have actually gotten the memo without us telling them that, guys, we have to be done within 60 days. So what is actually complete now, the roof has actually been complete. There was a bit of rain. There's no marks, watermarks in terms of rain coming in the house. So that's perfect. So we just need to spray the roof so that the roof looks good, right? Then the other thing is that the electrical guy has done all of his work. So what we just need to do is that the guys, the plastering guys, have to come through and cover all of these conduit pipes so that the house just looks seamless, and then there is no question that how is these lights actually coming through, right? Then what is still in progress right now is the tiling guy has actually went home for Sunday, right? He'll be back tomorrow to finish off the tiling in the house, and then now our hard work is now coming through. We have to put in wooden floors in all 3 bedrooms, right? So next week we will actually start buying material so that we can start laying our wood, so that when the guy that comes in for the kitchen, when he's done with the kitchen, then he should actually be coming inside the bedrooms so that he can actually install his things, right? What I am excited about right now is that we might be changing flipping the ugly property into the AI inspired property to now getting it sold within 60 days. Man, that would be crazy. That would be mind boggling. But now let's ride on that train, guys. Remember to invest like a pro with Nong Wealth. Okay, so now remember that the window that everybody hated, including me, has been removed, right? The window has been removed, and now we're waiting for Monday for the window guy to come through and get his window and then give us the window that we actually ordered. But now remember that the reason why it took us so long for him to actually come through is that we had to wait for the guy that was going to be putting in the lintels, right? Remember, because now people were stamping on this roof, and now this roof actually caved in. So at least we saw this when we still had time, because now the guys were able to put in this lintel to make sure that the roof doesn't actually bulge in even when someone is fixing something on the roof. So that won't be a problem for the next person that is actually going to be buying this property. We just need to make sure that everything that is going to be here on this house is actually 100% before we actually sell it, man. Invest like a pro with Nong Wealth.
The new toilet is installed, guys. It's sorted, but the wall still needs some TLC. As we are busy with the walls, we're definitely coming back to attend to this. But when it comes to the toilet, ideally speaking, right, you would want the toilet and the bathtub in one room. Unfortunately, how this property is positioned, the bath this side over here, which is the bathtub and the basin, it's a bit forward from the outside, whereas this wall goes a bit back. So if you are to cut this wall, it's still going to be a bit off. So that was the thing about this, was it that we come up with a wall that's curved, but then coming up with a wall that's curved, it is ultimately going to eat off the small passage. So that is why we couldn't do much towards this. Then this side, guys, the plumber's done. The bathtub is installed and the basin is installed and the water's running. Let's see. Level jumped there. I didn't switch on the shower head on. So that works. And then now this side over here, this works as well. With the window, guys, people were saying that, guys, the window frame, it looks old. Aren't you guys replacing it with aluminum windows? Remember this, that when it comes to a flip, what dictates how far we can go with the renovation is the budget that we set. So right now, when it comes to the budget, we are over budget and we have to work with what we have. So what we're going to do with this is that the paint that we will be buying is going to be a charcoal paint. Try to paint this out and see how will that come out, because the other option was eliminating it as a whole, but then it comes back as a security risk.
The insert is done. We have water that's running through over here on our basin. We have a black taps that are installed in the insert, and also we have this nice cabinet that Neo chose, man. Neo just saw this one and he was like, this one is the one. So you can put your things over here, maybe toothbrush, toothpaste, and the lights. And then coming over to this side, we have our toilet that's also installed right now. It's also fully running. There we go. So the shower is big enough. We have our shower head over here. We have our glass panel that's installed over here. And then it's also big enough for me to stretch whenever I'm taking a shower. So I'm excited about how this came out. The only thing left over here is to just put in the corners. That would be the last thing that we're going to be focusing on in this bath.